Save your mother from drowning or go back to the days of Prime Fortnite. Bonus question at the end. Commit a murder to prevent all future murders or reject the offer. Marry Megan Rapinoe or marry the first person who shows when you click share and then more. Have tickets to the next World Cup or have tickets to the next Super Bowl. Chicken nuggets or chicken tenders. Get $50,000 or get $1 million but in pennies. Lose all the money you've earned this year or lose all the memories you've gained this year. Get a kiss from Kim Jong-un or kiss the first person that shows when you follow me.